My name is Mathias Vuille. I'm an associate professor and climate scientist in the Department of Atmospheric and Environmental Science at the University of Albany, which is a part of the State University of New York system. I got involved in Ecpa sort of with two separate lines. One as a senior fellow this year. So I've traveled to Colombia and Peru and met with different entities there related to climate change and water and so forth. But I'm also an implementer, which means that I'm leading a project called Action that deals with climate change and glacier retreat and what potential impacts on water availability downstream might be in the future.
Great. And so talking about the involvement of both at the level as senior Ecpa fellow as an implementer, can you give us some specific highlights of recent activities you had in the Americas?
Sure. So, for example, just 2 weeks ago, I was in Peru, and actually for sort of in both functions. I was there first at a meeting that we organized jointly with the UNESCO International Hydrologic Program, trying to coordinate activities related to climate change and glacier retreat. So, what kind of measures do we have to take to adapt to a change in water resources in the future? That was the highlight of that meeting. And afterwards I stayed on as a senior fellow. I went to visit a field project, for example, looking at sustainable agriculture a couple hours north of Lima. I met with representative of the Ministry of Environment in Lima. I went to the US Embassy. I gave a talk at the University of San Marcos about climate change and met with a number of collaborators that are a vital component of this project in Peru. We have other collaborators also in Colombia and Ecuador and Chile.